Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to change the speed of your video on the Premiere Rush application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the app on your phone. Now tap on the plus icon if you want to upload a new video, or you can also select from the videos that you have already inserted. Now it is loading, so we need to wait a few seconds. I'm going to select this video that I have already edited. Now find the speed icon down below. And as you can see, there's the clip duration indicated here, and if you tap on the all range button, you can select the section of your clip that will slow down. All you have to do is dragging the blue handles to choose the section. You can also move the blue handles on the clip in the timeline. If you tap on the range speed, you are going to select the range speed percentage of your video. You can also select the clip duration, turn on and off the ramp, and select this maintain pitch option as well. If you tap on the reset button, you will reset to the default options and features and settings. So yes, so basically that's it for this video, guys. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, consider subscribing, and see you in the next video. Bye bye.